On Wednesday, July 20, 2022, a giant sandstorm hit the parts of Haixi Prefecture in Qinghai Province, China. The sandstorm is about tens of meters high. Subsequently, the Qinghai Administrative Committee Meteorological Observatory issued an orange warning signal for sand and dust at 5:55 p.m. Online videos showed a giant sand wall moving slowly along with the howling wind, and the sky seemed to be split in half. Many local residents and tourists saw the dusty weather. Some tourists even stood to take pictures, while some cars ran after the sandstorm and crossed it. According to local people, it was the biggest one in the past 10 or 20 years. Generally, the sandstorm dissipated in 10 minutes, but this time it lasted until it didn't dissipate by 9 p.m. However, the official of the China Meteorological Administration reminds people to avoid outdoor activities as much as possible when sandstorms occur. According to statistics, dust storms in mainland China mainly occurred from February to May, accounting for 78.3% of the total and less in other months.